Natasha, or you can call me Panda, whichever one you like. Welcome back to my channel. So for today I've done this kind of gradient eye with yellow, orange and red. Let's get started. To begin with, I'm going to use this moisturizer from Plum. I'm going to blend it with my sponge, and this sponge is from PAC Cosmetics. Next, I'm going to do my brows, and for my eyebrows today I'm using this Nika Brow Chikawao pencil. It's in the shade Coven Cocoa. Once I'm done filling it in, I use this spoolie and I blend it all in. I'm gonna use my mascara. You can use an eyebrow gel, but I just use a mascara to set my brows in place. And I'm going to just slightly clean up my brows underneath, and also use the same concealer as my primer. This concealer is the LA Girl Pro Conceal in the shade Fawn. Next, I'm going to set the concealer with Color Essence Pressed Powder in the shade Dusky. To begin with my eyes, I'm going to use this Nika K eyeshadow palette. First, I'm going to start with the yellow. Then I'm going to take the orange shade. And then the red, and I make sure that the red is blended into the crease. Moving on to my face, I'm going to use this orange corrector that I use to correct my dark circles and the hyperpigmentation around my mouth area. For foundation today, I'm using this NYX foundation in the shade Nutmeg. Using the same concealer in Fawn, I'm going to highlight certain areas of my face like my under eye, my nose, my forehead, chin and my upper lip area. Next, I'm going to use this Revolution Luxury Powder in the shade Banana, and I'm going to set my face with it. I'm going to contour with this brown eyeshadow from Miss Claire. Next, going in with this eyeshadow in red, and I'm going to use that as blush very lightly on my cheeks. Next, I'm going to highlight my face with this Revolution palette. I'm going to use this beautiful golden shade from it. I'm going to highlight my cheekbones, my nose, the inner corners of my eyes, the brow bone, tip of my nose as well, and Cupid's bow. Going back to the same Nika K palette, I'm going to use the same shades that I use above. The yellow first, and I'm going to add that towards the inner corner. Then I'm going to add the orange, a little in the mid. Next is the red, and I'm going to just slightly blend it upwards so that it blends in with the eyeshadow above. Next, I'm going to add kajal, and this is the Lakme Iconic Kajal in black. I'm going to curl my lashes and then add mascara. For mascara, I'm using this Maybelline Hyper Curl Mascara. Also adding falsies just at the outer corners of my eyes, as I always do. Next, I'm going to use this Calabar Precision Eyeliner. I'm going to create really cute wings. For my lips, I'm going to use this Miss Claire lip liner in the shade Burgundy. For lipstick, I'm using this NYX Lingerie in the shade Beauty Mark. And I just felt like I needed a little gloss on top of it. So this gloss is from Bonjour Paris and it's called Lip Balm. And I think it's in the clear shade. And that is all for today's look. I really like how simple this is. Thank you so much for watching. Bye guys.